Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dinah. Back at it again with another video, and I am super excited about this video because it's been long overdue. I'm finally getting into this Bloveslife sauce that I got. I ordered on Black Friday. Got like the last week of November, and I'm finally tapping in right now. Okay, so it's like the last day of January. Thank you, sir. Hey, my guest law, my nephew Lawrence, and yeah. So I wanted to get it in. Finally, I got some eggs, some boiled eggs, some shrimp, some sausage, some like just a little corn, 24 to be exact. And I got some rice right here. And we're about to get it in because there's a windstorm going on outside and this production gets shut down in any moment, all right? So yeah, before we get it in, I'm also pray for this food, bless this food. Everybody get it in. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless this food, make it be nourishing to our body. Bless us, continue to be with each and every one of us. Be with my subscribers, be with those who are about to subscribe. In your mighty precious name I pray, amen. Bruh, so I haven't tasted the sauce yet. So, this is like, totally mind-boggling to me. Bruh, this is a whole pack, okay? OMG. Bruh. Let me just put y'all on right now. Bruh, do you see that? Oh my gosh. Yo, B-Love, this is for you, man. This is for you. This is the B-Love sauce in mild, okay? I was trying to get this spicy. Not a spicy person, but, you know, I will do the... Yo! Woo! So that's crazy. I've actually had B-Love sauce, not from B-Love, but it was homemade from my sister Nia. And it is like almost spot on. Yo, this is delicious. So bomb! I think this is his first time having it. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Very flavorful, huh? Yeah. A lot of flavors. So I'm gonna try the sausage. This is Evergood. I think it's Evergood. Evergood kielbasa from Costco. And let's not forget this lemon rain. You see all the splitter splatter that's going on? Oh, Jesus. Yo, B-Love, this is amazing. Little one, girl. Super bomb. Oh my god. You gotta try with all the onions. Oh. Yo. I had more eggs, but the peeling and all that, oh, irritates me. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you pass me that? I'll make those over there. So I had a drink that I was gonna drink for this video. I just figured, man, it ties in with everything. Pineapple, yellow corn, yellow lemons. I don't know what else it ties in with, but Yo, trust and believe, this sauce will be saved after I'm done eating. Just like the last one my sister made. I salvaged that. I'm not getting enough of this. Let me pour you some, since you've been waiting patiently. This is not an ASMR. I don't have my microphone. But yeah. Yo, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Help your boy, because I'm still trying to hit my 1,000 subscribers. Because, you know, your boy's trying to get these videos monetized. You know what I'm saying? He's trying to get money from this video. Your boy's trying to make a business out of this, okay? I mean, he's trying to make a living out of this. Oh, and yeah. So, I'm using my light that I got for Christmas. For my sister and my brother-in-law. And let me tell you, it's like really, really bright. I can barely see it. I mean, I can see it, but like, I don't know how these people who be using these lights do it, man. It's just amazing. Man, this sauce is just out of bounds.
There's this YouTuber I watch. The way she has her light set up is that her setup is against the wall, and she uses the light to reflect off the wall.
Wait. So the light is facing the wall?
Yeah, the light's facing the wall.
Bro, if you think about it, that's like natural lighting. Bouncing off the wall. Corn. I love corn. Like, I love corn. Oh, Lord. This boy done gone through a lot of this shrimp already. Ooh, this is so flavorful. So, with the month coming to an end, and February coming along, I mean, that month is alright. So, February, Sarah's birthday month over here. So he's like, oh my gosh, my birthday's in 16 days. I'm like, 15, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Then Big Ed, he's turning 13.
Wait, who?
Misha.
Oh, yo, everybody's growing up so fast. Like,
Oh, I guess I just slapped her.
why?
Then we both cried.
You just both cried?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause Goss, he told us to fight each other.
Are you serious? Bruh. And you guys actually fought?
No.
What, you just cried?
No, I swung on him, then he hit me in my eye.
And you... Bruh. You guys are such dorks. Mind you, these are the two nerds of the family. Yo. Okay.
Yeah. And then for Louise's birthday, Jason.
So we have 4 little boys. The birthdays are this month. Next month. They basically grew up. Oh, 3 of them have, or sort of. fully YouTube came like 2 years ago. But it's been long enough to know how everything works around here. I'm really digging this light.
Digging the sauce.
You hear that, Bethany? This sauce, he's digging it. Yo, once I'm done with these eggs, I'm putting this sauce in the refrigerator, and nobody better touch it.
None of them pressure.
This is my biggest mukbang that I've done. Is it gonna be my biggest one ever? Definitely not. Cause I'm gonna shut stuff down. You know, I'm in the church hall right now, so I can't say bad words. I wasn't going to anyway, but I'm gonna shut stuff down. You know what I mean? Cheers! Okay, my bad. I was supposed to have a special guest on a different video. I didn't know I was gonna film this video, but then I was like, I'm gonna film this video today. Love sauce needs to be opened already, okay? So I took it upon myself and like, I'm about to do this video today. And what did I do? I made this video today. But yeah, this sauce is amazing. Thank you, Bethany. Miss B Loves Life. Thanks to the family. Shout out to everybody who made this possible. You guys are awesome. I can't wait to see my shout out. Like, please. Yo. So I'll be watching B Love's I watch her videos. And then I watch her son Dalvin and Nicole's video. Me and my wife watch. And we're like, it would be so awesome to have just have like a platform like that. Someone to set a platform for, you know, some small YouTubers like that. I'm gonna keep it going. Because I know for sure, if I was to have a major YouTube account and have this platform, trust and believe, I'm bringing a lot of these people up.
Just do what people on TikTok did, move into one house.
The hype house?
Yeah. But just called mukbang game.
It's crazy because, dang, they moved in together in this big house.
They're all like teenagers too.
That's crazy. Because, what's his name? It's Michael's from Florida. They're all in LA. What the Lopez brothers are from where? I don't know. They're from somewhere. Yo. That is like a stupid sauce right there. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. We're gonna get a thumbnail in, okay? Trust, alright? You'll see it. It's gonna be cool. Yo, if you know, if you're poly, if you're Asian, rice goes good with everything. But it goes definitely good with this sauce. I know you're probably like, why are you talking in your mouth? This is my channel. I do what I want. Yo, look at how much. This is one pack. So, this is one pack. So the ingredients, it calls for 4 sticks of butter. I know it's off the top of my head, but you know, I added some. It asked for 4 sticks of butter, a half a onion, sweet onion, whatever onion you prefer. 3/4 cup of garlic, minced garlic. 3/4 cup of pickled ginger. A cup of water or broth. What else? And I forgot what else. Get away from us! We cannot share with you. But yeah, the sauce is amazing. And I know like the first 3 times it restocked, it just goes like that. Cause the girl, she's doing things, man. She's killing the game right now. She's making moves. She over here playing Cardi B games. She's making money move. And I'm like, okay. She a boss. She a boss. You know what I'm saying?
Nowadays, it's a lot easier to make money online.
Yeah. Man. So, I'm still trying to do, I was thinking about making a music channel and separating it from this mukbang. But then I'm like thinking like, why not just have everything on one channel? I still have yet to do a mukbang, you know, sing on this mukbang. I mean, I can still do it. You dig?
Did you ever try the creator shit when you won his Grammy?
No, but I hear it going crazy like that. Yeah. Like, bruh, what's going on? And then he had like doppelgangers come on.
But
Whew.
his interview, when
I
he
just
said
shook everything up. And I was like,
during the interview, he
Yeah.
said that he was grateful, but like, like he didn't feel like he wanted it because his music, when he said when people like him look like him, when they make genre bending music,
yeah.
it doesn't fall into rap, it falls into urban rap
And he didn't like that?
Yeah.
Why can't rap be just rap and
yeah. Or like
get away?
have his music in pop or something.
Yeah.
Like he said the urban part is just a political way for them to say the N-word too. But I'm glad he won.
I know. This sauce is stupid. I'm like, oh my God. What is going on right now? What is going on? Why is there still a lot of sauce? You know why? Because I'm just excited. I don't think I can get all these, down. But this sauce is amazing. It's so amazing that I know I'm really full. I didn't think I was gonna be this full, but maybe because I was anticipating it too much. I'm like, come on, let's get it, let's get it. I'm like going crazy trying to set up everything, and then bam! I done made 24 corns and I only got 2 in a regular sitting. I can probably do like 9 or 10. But trust and believe, the next video is gonna be on it. So, this kid can eat. Like, I mean, speed demon at eating. He literally just he breathes in his food. So, next video, I'm probably gonna buy, like, I wanna do Bloveslife challenge, the 20 leg challenge. And see how fast he can do that. And I don't know if there's a time limit or what, but we're gonna do that challenge. We're gonna see how fast he can eat 20 legs, because I know he can eat 20 legs, so. I mean, look at him. You probably eat in 5 minutes. But, yeah. Whew. What else do we have going on? Oh, I might be singing at, I still gotta hear, I haven't heard word back, but I might be singing at the Outlet Collection in Auburn on the 9th, which is a Sunday. So after church, I'm gonna be singing at this, event that's going on at the Outlet Collection, which is pretty dope. You know, exposure is good.
Are you trying to make your own music?
I'm trying to make music. So for those of you who don't know, but I'll be singing. I'll be singing. Yeah, I sing, so. If you don't believe me, go check out my other video on here of me singing. And yeah. I'll be dancing too, you know? Like, hey. Follow me on TikTok. That boy named Dino. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That boy named Dino. And yeah. What else? Hey, where can they find you?
Oh.
You can find them right here. Next video, okay? Okay.
Oh.
All right. Whew. So I know it asked for like three-quarter cups of garlic, but I feel like I put in a whole cup. But man, garlic is bomb. Garlic is so bomb. You know what I'm saying? This sauce just don't make no sense. Damn! No sense at all. I ain't got no napkins or nothing. So the mild, it still has a little kick to it. Just a tiny little kick. Like, You know what I'm saying? Ooh, not my mouth. Like that, oh my God. But yeah, it's just a good enough kick. You know what I'm saying? Anything on my face? I can't really see. I'm blind and I'm blinded.
Got it. She having a tour.
Is that the girl?
Huh?
Is that the girl?
What girl? Wait, which one are you talking about?
Lights it up.
Oh no.
Who is that?
An artist.
So yeah. I think I'm gonna call it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bruh. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody. To your mama, your daddy, your grandma, your grandpa, your auntie, your uncle. Okay? And your little cousins too. Okay? Let me know what content you want to see on this channel, because you know I'm up for it. I might be doing some TikTok stuff. I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing it now. You know, I think I should just hop on that train and just be like, hey, TikTok hacks. Yo, shout out to Brendan Taylor. Yo. I think this is just $1 for this big old bottle. But yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully with some B-loves. You know what? I might do a reaction video to little kids eating this sauce. Because it's not that spicy. And my how would you say that? Your niece's kids. Would it be grandnieces or grandnephews?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, your niece's kids?
Woo! That was beautiful.
Yeah, grandniece.
Grandniece. So I want to see the reaction to my grandniece and my grandnephews. They have a high tolerance for spice. So I mean, for kids, they be eating hot Cheetos and Takis and all that. So I'm pretty sure they can eat this sauce because it's super bomb. So yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Get up on a ride. Hey, hop on in the champ. Don't forget to do all of that, okay? Again, thank you, Miss Bloveslife herself for this sauce, for sending me this sauce. I mean, I bought it on Amazon, but thank y'all for sending it. But yeah, you are the one, okay? Keep on doing what you're doing. I pray nothing but blessings upon you and your family. And yeah. So all my subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around. I'm almost at 300. It's not much, but it's something. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. If I do hit 300, I might just do a little giveaway, okay? But until then, catch you guys next time. And you know what it is. Hold on. And well, hey.